over 2.4 internally displaced persons, many of them women and children. Many of these women and girls had fled their homes, as Boko Haram had become notorious for using girls from the ages of 12 as sex slaves. With the internally displaced persons camps as the only safe refuge for many of those on the run, it therefore came as a shock when tales of sexual exploitations began to make the headlines.
We deployed staff and researchers to conduct interviews with survivors of the reported harassments. It also conducted an on-site observation and assessment of the camp facilities. When reports of rapes were published, it reviewed the content of the stories published in the legacy media and the online media as well, with the aim of comparing notes with what is found in the course of its work.
The Global Amnesty Watch says its fact-finding team dispatched to various IDP camps around the country confirmed allegations of sexual harassment of young women and teenage girls, but could not confirm the culpability of any Nigerian soldier, as there was lack of evidence to affirm these claims.
It was impossible to conclusively establish that the rapes and abuses were carried out by military personnel, as it was found that some male IDPs and even camp officials were able to claim military connection to commit such acts. Authorities need to order a fresh investigation that will do away with the bias that had been created by the way the allegations of rape were published, with certain groups unilaterally indicating soldiers even before a proper probe had taken place.
The group says there is a need to change the way and manner IDP camps are run nationwide. From Abuja, Amadin Uyi, STV News.